You're standing in the kitchen again on a quiet Sunday afternoon, and somehow you already feel tired before the week even starts. You promised yourself this week would feel calmer, more organized, more intentional. But just looking at the counter and the fridge makes your shoulders tense up. It's that familiar feeling of being behind before Monday even arrives. You feel distracted, like your brain is juggling 100 tiny decisions all at once. Meals, schedules, money, energy, it all blends together into mental noise. Instead of choosing calmly, you're reacting all week long. And deep down, you wonder why something so simple feels so heavy every single Sunday. What if the problem isn't your motivation at all? What if you don't need more willpower, more discipline, or another perfect plan? What if what you're really craving is calm, a way to make the week feel lighter before it even begins? And that thought alone can feel like a small breath of relief. Hi, I'm Betty, and this is the Budget Betty channel, Smarter Money for Mom Life. Today, I'll show you the calm logic behind Sunday meal prep and how it quietly shapes a smoother, less stressful week. Subscribe for clarity-based growth and stay with me to learn how calm planning can change how your whole week feels. Every unplanned meal quietly drains mental energy you don't even notice. You're not lazy, you're overloaded with decisions that never stop coming. When your brain is forced to choose under pressure, it defaults to survival, not strategy. And over time, that constant reaction mode costs more than you think. When dinner decisions hit at 5:47 p.m., stress takes over before logic can show up. The phone buzzes, the kids are hungry, and suddenly the fridge feels empty. In that moment, takeout doesn't feel like a choice. It feels like relief. But relief under pressure is rarely aligned with long-term control. It's not just money leaving your account in those moments. It's confidence quietly leaving your body, one rushed decision at a time. Each repeat teaches your brain a subtle lesson. I don't have control, and over time, that belief leaks clarity out of your entire week. Here's the shift that changes everything. Meal prep isn't extra work stealing your time. It's how smart moms protect their energy like an asset. Instead of reacting all week, you decide once and let the plan work for you. That single decision creates calm returns every day, just like a good investment. Sunday prep isn't about cooking more, it's about deciding less. You're not trying to be perfect for 7 days, just kinder to your future self. Fewer decisions mean less friction when life gets loud. Calm doesn't come from willed discipline, it comes from removing obstacles ahead of time. When food is planned, money stops bleeding quietly, not through restriction, but through intention and clarity. This is how confident moms lead their households, designing the week instead of surviving it. Once you feel that control, everything else gets lighter because fewer open loops are pulling at you. Action 1 is simple. Decide before you're tired. Instead of planning 7 dinners, choose just 3 that anchor the entire week. Fewer choices reduce decision fatigue, the same way smart investors limit variables before volatility hits. This isn't about restriction, it's about preserving energy for what actually matters. Action 2 is about leverage, not perfection. You don't need gourmet meals, you need prepared ingredients that save future decisions. Washing vegetables and cooking protein is like setting capital in place before returns compound. Future, you doesn't need effort. She needs access. Action 3 is risk management. Create a calm default. One backup meal removes panic from high-pressure moments, the same way a cash reserve stabilizes a portfolio. Write it down and keep it visible because your brain trusts systems more than memory. Boring systems don't look impressive, but they quietly create peaceful, profitable weeks. It's Wednesday night, and for once, nothing feels rushed. You already know what's for dinner, and that certainty feels powerful. Your shoulders soften, your breathing slows, and your mind finally gets quiet. This is what it feels like when the week is no longer in control of you. Your wallet doesn't feel tight, and your energy isn't drained. There's no last-minute takeout decision stealing your focus or your money. You're moving through the evening with intention, not pressure. This is what quiet financial confidence looks like in real life. You're not guessing anymore, and you're not reacting to chaos. You're leading your week with calm, clear decisions made ahead of time. This isn't discipline through force. It's clarity through preparation. And that kind of success feels peaceful, not loud. You don't need a new personality. You don't need more willpower. You need a calmer system that supports the mom you already are. Sunday meal prep isn't really about food. It's about choosing peace before chaos shows up. When decisions are made early, stress loses its power. Calm isn't accidental. It's designed. If this helped you, like the video. Subscribe for clarity-based growth, not pressure. And share this with a friend who's tired of deciding dinner every single night. You don't have to do this alone. Let's talk. What part of the week feels the heaviest for you right now? This is the Budget Betty channel, where moms build calmer weeks and smarter money habits. Real tips, real moms, real savings. And remember, calm is built in advance, not in the moment.